Dun, 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 dun. Oh, Nanny. Oh. Jeffy. Nanny, I was just wondering if I could go to a carnival. Jeffy, you can't. You have the hiccups. Why? I'll call someone I think who knows. I think he's a hiccup specialist. My little why hiccup. Okay, so we just call him. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, you called the hiccup specialist. Oh, hi. He has hiccups. Okay, yeah. So what do you need? Oh, are your parents happy about that? You know what? No, they're not happy about that. Why would they be happy about that? Okay, I'm gonna have to check your mail. Say, so what pepperonis? Yeah, he has Yep, he has incurable hiccups. Why? Stop saying why. Okay, I'll punch you in the face. Why does he have hiccups? Oh my gosh. I don't even know. The first thing that's scary thing. Boom! Oh my gosh. Next stage. I think we gotta put something in his head and shoot it and see if it goes dead. Okay, so like, boom! I'm gonna do the okay, that didn't work at all. Dun, dun, dun. Daddy, what are you gonna put in my head? Oh, don't worry, kid. It's gonna be easy. It's gonna be easy. Okay, you stay there. Well, okay, that's just gonna be out of the head. Let's see if I can shoot. I don't have any bullets. Let's see what I could have here. How about just throw Superman the wet Superman to there so I can see if it makes bullseye! Yeah! Also, I think I cracked your Xbox. What? Oh, come on, Jeffy. Dun 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 dun. Okay, the next stage we have to throw Jeffy off the friggin' boat. Why? As long as he lands on the blanket, and left hand, right hand, whatever. If he lands on left hand, he obviously will not die. But what if he dies? Well, he won't, because he won't. Let's just push him. Bullseye, yeah! Your hiccups are still gone. Are they gone? Oh my gosh. So, I think he has curve hiccups. Why? Why does he have incurable hiccups? I don't know why, but I think he's gonna have incurable hiccups for a long time. Every day and every long. Yep. Soup, Fluffy. Soup, little fluff. That's Jeffy. It's just a little fluff. It just flew. Oh yeah, I think his hiccup's gone. Oh, fabulous. Jeffy, do you have hiccups? I don't think so. Oh no. So the poo. Dun, 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 dun. Hey guys, well I hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe. Remember for the last vlog please get that 50 likes. And get this like for 20 or 30 likes. That's it. And that's it because it's not that popular. It's just Debbie Hiccups. Yeah, so bye. See you next time.